Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add photos to Instagram story highlights without posting. So in here, let's say that you want to upload highlights, you want to add highlights to your Instagram story, but you don't want to spamming your Instagram story. You don't want your friends to get annoyed about by the Instagram story, lots of Instagram stories. You can use this trick to add the highlights. So let's just open the Instagram apps, and in here I'm going to show you on my profile I have this highlights, and I want to add updates into this highlight, but I don't want to get I don't want to my friends get annoyed by the things I posted. So what you need to do is just follow this. First, you can just click on the plus icon to open the Instagram story camera, and then you can just choose the video or photos that you want to add into the highlight. So I'm going to click on photos in here and find the photos. Okay, here, so you can just choose the photos or videos that you want to add into the highlight. So I'm going to click on photos. I'm going to just find the photos in here. Let's say I want to add this photo into the highlight. Now you can just upload it as usual, so upload it to your stories, and then you can click on these stories to see the progress. You can see it's still posting. Okay, so now once it's posted, you can just click on the more options, click on the three dots, and click on archive. So now the story has been archived, so your friends won't see it on the timeline. You can now just go to your archive. You can go to your profile, click on the three lines icon at the top right corner, go to the archive in here. Okay, so this is the photos that I added into the archive before. So if you want to add it into your highlight, you can just tap on this highlight button and choose the highlight that you want. So I'm going to get added into the snap, for example. So just like that, now the photo has been added into the highlight, and I don't even posted it. So that's pretty easy. I hope this simple trick will be helpful for you. So if you guys think so, don't forget to click on the like button, and don't forget to click on the thanks button, subscribe to our channel to support us, and leave a comment if you have any questions. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.